In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on FreshBooks. Whether you've decided to move to another accounting platform, or perhaps your business needs have changed, canceling your FreshBooks account is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you manage this task with ease. So, let's dive in. First off, you'll need to log into your FreshBooks account. Once you've successfully signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the web page. There, you should see your profile photo or your initials. Click on this area, and a menu will appear. This menu serves as your gateway to various account settings, and it's where you're going to make your first stop on this journey. As you glance through the options in the drop-down menu, look for the one that says Billing and Upgrade. This is quite an important section because it houses all the details about your current subscription and billing preferences. Go ahead and click on Billing and Upgrade to move on to the next step. Once you've reached the Billing and Upgrade page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Sometimes, you might have to scroll a bit more than you anticipate, so be sure you make it all the way to the end. Here, you're specifically looking for a link that either says Cancel your account or Cancel your subscription. Finding this link is crucial as it marks the beginning of the cancellation process. Now, after you've located the cancellation link, it's time to take decisive action. Click on that link and you'll be prompted with some on-screen instructions. These instructions are designed to confirm your decision to cancel. You may see prompts like, Continue to cancel, which you'll need to follow through. These prompts are intentional, ensuring that you're certain about ending your account with FreshBooks. During this phase, they might also suggest different reasons for cancellation, such as budgetary constraints, or perhaps the need for features that FreshBooks doesn't offer. While it's perfectly okay to skip these questions, providing your feedback could help improve their services in the future. Taking these final steps signifies that you have successfully confirmed your decision. It's worth noting here that once the cancellation is complete, any data associated with your account may be permanently deleted, so be sure to back up any crucial information before finalizing. With these steps concluded, you've now completed the account deletion process on FreshBooks. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found this process easy and clear. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with your account, don't hesitate to reach out directly to FreshBooks support. They're often quite helpful in addressing more specific concerns you may have.